Hello, and welcome to another DCM Online Academy. My name is Megan, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the ATEM Mini Pro. So the ATEM Mini Pro is a compact, very compact, fits in my hand actually. It's a compact and versatile video switcher that's really designed to simplify live streaming and multi-camera production for anyone from individual content creators, educators, and even small production teams. It's a very mighty tool. It features 4 HDMI inputs, you can see on the back here, which enables seamless switching between video sources like cameras, laptops, gaming consoles even, and just any other media device. Each of these imports actually supports different resolutions and frame rates, which ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices and really adds to the customization of the ATEM Mini Pro. It also includes an integrated hardware encoder, which is really cool. It allows users to stream directly to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitch directly from this device without needing additional software or complicated setups. It's just a click of a button right here. Its control panel is super user-friendly. You have clearly labeled buttons for transitions, video effects, picture-in-picture layouts even. So it's really accessible for beginners. Everything is clearly labeled and you can customize it to your specific layout, to your specific live production. The device also supports direct recording to external USB drives and high video formats. So it provides you an easy way to archive and edit footage later if you want to. So it's really cool. So you can record with this button and go live simultaneously. The multi-view output feature enables users to monitor all their inputs, all their program feeds, audio levels, recording status, all on one single screen, which really enhances your workflow efficiency if you can really just see everything while you're live producing. With additional features like customizable settings via the ATEM software control app and advanced audio mixing capabilities, the ATEM Mini Pro is really just a powerful all-in-one solution to creating professional-grade live productions and video content. DCM is actually gearing up to provide a ATEM Mini Pro live production class, so you can learn how to live produce in the field, which is very cool. We're very excited about it. So if you'd like to get more information about the ATEM Mini Pro and how it can enhance your next live stream, come on down and take the class. Thanks for watching.